I've always wanted to build a snowman and be able to jump in a mountain of dry leaves during fall. I guess almost every kid here in the Philippines once dreamed it, right? But why is there really no winter and fall in the Philippines? The answer is because we are in a tropical country. Tropical is the climate of the Philippines. Well, the term climate refers to what is happening to the atmosphere in a specific place over a long period of time, 30 years or more. Today, climate scientists called climatologists split the Earth into approximately 5 main types of climates. They are tropical, dry, temperate, continental, and polar. Since Philippines is a tropical country, which means it only has 2 types of season, which is wet and dry. In this hot and humid zone, the average temperatures are greater than 18 degrees year-round, and there is more than 59 inches of precipitation or water that falls from the sky each year. Dry climate regions are where the air is very dry, so dry because moisture is rapidly evaporated from the air, and there is very little precipitation. One example of this is desert. Temperate climate regions' average yearly temperatures are not extreme, not burning hot, nor freezing cold. Temperate means moderate. In this zone, there are typically warm and humid summers with thunderstorms and mild winters. So most places with a temperate climate have 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Continental climate regions have warm to cool summers, very cold winters, and a little rainfall. In the winter, the zone can experience snowstorms, strong winds, and very cold temperatures, sometimes falling below -30 degrees Celsius. The continental climate regions are spectacular because of their wide range of weather phenomena. For example, they have vast forests in autumn and later experience powerful tornadoes and thunderstorms. While in the polar climate zones, it's extremely cold. Even in summer, the temperatures here never go higher than 10 degrees Celsius. This zone encompasses the areas around the North and South Poles. Climate and weather are mostly mixed up by other people. Well, climate and weather are 2 different things. Since climate was discussed a while ago, let's talk about weather. What is weather? Weather describes whatever is happening outdoors in a given place at a given time. It is studied by scientists called meteorologists. Unlike climate, weather is what is happening to the atmosphere over a short period of time, minute to minute, or day-to-day changes. Even though we only have one atmosphere, there are many factors that can change the atmosphere in a certain area, and together, weather is measured. These factors include wind, temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, cloudiness, and precipitation. Friendly tip: always bring your umbrella. Personally, I consider my umbrella as my everyday weapon. Just because you woke up on a sunny morning doesn't mean you won't have a rainy afternoon. Predicting the weather is an important job because it can help people prepare for destructive weather that's coming, like tornadoes or typhoons. That's why watching or listening to the weather news should be an everyday habit of every person, especially those leaving their houses every day. Since climate is the average of weather over time, studying climate is an important job because it helps to figure out why weather patterns are changing and how we may be able to stop or slow down activities that are causing global warming. Go to social medias, listen to radio, watch TV. Anywhere you go, you hear articles describing new research about Earth's warming. That is how hot of a topic climate is these days. While climate tends to change quite slowly, that doesn't mean we don't experience short-term fluctuations or the irregular rising and falling around the average that is not causing the long-term average itself to change. This phenomenon is called climate variability. And when scientists talk about it, they are usually referring to changes in climate from one year to another. And remember, climate variability is not attributable to or influenced by any activity related to humans. It can be caused by changes in ocean conditions far away, which can affect climate all over the world.
Some examples of this are the El Niño and La Niña. Alterations to the Earth's atmosphere or change in climate that occur over much longer periods from 10 to hundreds of years are characterized as climate change. While climate change can be caused by natural processes such as volcanic activity, solar variability, plate tectonics, or shifts in the Earth's orbit, we are usually referring to changes attributable to human activity.